how to change your name in Game. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change your name on Game, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the Game application on your device, and then here you will see the different games available. You see tutorials, you see friends, you see store. Then the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. So by clicking on your profile icon, you would see your profiles page. And so once you're on this page, you have the opportunity to change your avatar, change your profile picture the way you want. And then you can now see your name just below your avatar. And then just click on that. And so you can now go ahead and erase the name that's there and then type out the new name that you would like to bear. Okay, and then click on the tick icon, then click on confirm, wait for it to load, and your name would be changed successfully. So this is it, right? This is how simple it is. This is how you can change your name on the Game. So you can just go ahead and try it out now. Thank you for watching, and if this video has helped you, ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.